Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find your FedEx tracking number in 2026. So first of all, you need to check your email. Now, when your package is shipped, FedEx or the seller usually sends a confirmation email that includes the tracking number. So inside your email address, you can just simply check the keywords like FedEx, shipment or tracking in order to find it faster. Now afterwards, you need to check your order history. If you have ordered something online, simply go to the website or the app where you have placed the order. Now you need to open your order details and you will usually find the tracking number there along with the shipment status. You need to also check the SMS message. Now, in many cases, FedEx sends the tracking updates via text messages. So you can look for any message from FedEx that includes your tracking number. If you still can't find it, you can use FedEx Delivery Manager. For that, you need to basically sign in into your account. After that, you will see all of your incoming and the outgoing shipments which are linked to your address even without manually entering the tracking number. The another option is to contact the sender. So if someone shipped the package to you, you can ask them directly for the tracking number. They will have it in their shipment receipt. Now, if you have missed the delivery notice, you can check that slip. FedEx often leaves a door tag with reference number that you can use to track your package. So finally, if none of the methods are working for you, you can simply contact to the FedEx customer support team. For that, you need to come here on fedex.com. Afterwards, click on the option of support. Over here, click on the option of customer support. Then they have given you a bunch of different options to basically contact to the customer support. So you can select whether you are a receiver or a sender, and then you can try contacting to the support team. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.